Hey everybody, 10-minute review on the Matchbox Ford RS 200. This is a white RS 200, so there's a lot of, this one's in pretty bad condition. I got this from a flea market a while back, or a garage sale, but this one's in really bad shape. I'd like to get a new one of these at some point. This one's kind of just like mutilated. It says on the bottom Ford RS 200, and if you look, there's like a lot of scratching, a lot of dings. I'll show you close up. A lot of dings, a lot of scratching everywhere on the model. I don't restore cars, so I likely would purchase a new one of these if I wanted to. I mean, it's not in that bad a condition. It's not in that bad a shape, but could use a refresher. I like the 7 on the front. I like the 7 on the sides too. Looks very cool. It's just a really nice model overall. I've always liked the RS 200. I showed you guys a Spiel set one a little while back, and that one was in immaculate shape. And this one's not in the best of conditions. This is a white RS 200. Okay, guys, that's my review on the RS 200. Thank you.